Why is it so green?
I'm actually tripping. It'll be there for a while, but it's gonna tip.
Yeah, but who knows how deep those roots go?
Right.
You know what a gyroscope is, right?
It's some type of balancing thing. I know like what they're used for. I don't really know the physics behind it.
No. Come here. Come here. I don't want them to try to break it. Sugar, come here. Good. Come here.
Hey, buddy.
Come on, guys. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Oh, so
You too.
look, see, he has his crossing over right by South Orange Ave, and we're gonna cross above Cherry Lane and then go left. Around here, this whole field was cut. And the other side of the field, lost signal and crashed. Yeah, I love just to fucking be outside, getting sweaty.
Yeah.
Florida.
Within 14 tracks, getting held over wax, searching for resolutions until somebody gets back.
That's about as much as I know.
So hopefully they disperse. Within 14 tracks,
It's basically Georgia.
wondering if I'm living
I get high. I love to get high. They always ask me why. Fuck it, you just cry. I never fucking lie. See, I am the guy. And fuck it, I think when I smoke, I just feel that fly.
Yo, I spy on the night guy, the fly guy, and I fucking drive by. Time by.
I'll pack it for you.
No one was finally
That was
Is that right?
I need a whole lot of money. That sounds like your type of place.
my daughter is a teacher in Boulder.
Hey,
Hey, Mitch Rob, right?
what's up?
Mitch. Oh, I see.
How was the food?
It was
Many of
good.
whom I had never met before gather here to celebrate the life of my grandfather. It really speaks volumes to his esteem and his life's work. There are so many wonderful things that I can tell you about my grandfather. Perhaps the most difficult part of writing this eulogy was picking just one story to reminisce. After all, my grandfather was a U.S. Marine, Dean of the Baltimore School of Arts, renowned artist, orchestra conductor, talented musician, and above all else, a beloved family member. Everyone here has his or her own special connection with my grandfather, which is truly incredible. But I would like to share a story that many of his friends and colleagues did not have the pleasure of experiencing.
Never forget that there is as much beauty in the quiet silence between the notes as there is in the notes themselves.
With the coming years, that I can carry on his legacy, as well as the talents he passed down to me.
You hated bugs. During the war, you had a horrible experience with them. According to you, outside the U.S., they were huge.
I think there was a man I never even remembered. He was just so happy to see me. And I don't think anyone else has captured that.
It's a pleasure to see that everybody really came out to support David, and I really didn't know the extent of his community and commitment in Baltimore. We had lived in California previously, and
For my school orchestra, I had to play like the violin, and well, it was really like bad. It wasn't working, and my grandpa, he said, well, maybe I could like tune it or whatever. So we tried. Man, that violin was just possessed. We used to go on walks together when I was little, and he saw me in every
a lovely summer's day. Everything that's bright and gay. I'll always think of you that way. I'll find you in the morning sun, and when the night is new, I'll be looking at the moon, but I'll be seeing you.
Even though my dad was gonna say, I'm like, why? Like, why isn't like my mom, like your
You
dad?
seem to have one ready, man. Oh shit, you gotta hold this thing.
No, I knew I was speaking. I didn't know my dad was gonna be speaking.
Alright, drop it. I'm gonna drop this down to you, okay? It's open. You gotta catch it. You ready?
Wait, sir.
Good man. Good shit.
That defied a lot of like laws.
Yo, Kate, catch mine. Hey.
Thank you.